Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Earth Explore. Today I am going to show you processes of image classification. So image classification basically two types. One is the supervised image classification and other is the unsupervised image classification. So today I am going to show supervised classification with Tntmips GIS software. Tntmips GIS software, I have three types of Tntmips GIS software, three versions of GIS software. I have a 2018 version, 2019 version and 2013 version. So 2013 version is your old, and you know that, and 2019 latest version. So 2018 versions linked to the older version to the latest version. So here I am using for this operation 2018 version. So let's do this. To perform this operation, we need to know about supervised image classification, and that is in my previous video. So let's check it in the description. So let's start this. At first go to the image and then classify, then auto classify. In the older version, instead of classify, it's showing it interpret. So that is the same tool, interpret or classify. So next go to the rasters, automatic classification window, go to the rasters. Here you choose your image. Here I'm choosing in bengal.img. It has 7 bands. So here we can see that the 7 bands of this image. So I'm choosing 432, that is the basic FCC color composition band composition. So 4 3 2 4 3 2, then OK. So here you can see that the 432 combination, and then method for the supervised image classification. Maximum likelihood is the main method. So select maximum likelihood, then go to the training set editor, then go to the training set view. Here you open your previous image 432 combination. So go to the add layer, quick add, again bengal.img. So 432, okay. Then select here, red is the 4 3 3 2. So then click OK. So here you can see that the image looking very dull. So enhance your image contrast. So to enhance contrast, left click on your image. So wait some time. So go to the enhance contrast. So for enhance contrast, move this dotted line nearest to the same process for the red, green and so close this window. So now you can see that image showing very brightly. So then go to the training set editor, then file, then class, add classes. Training set editor must be specified. Training set editor raster must be specified. So file, training set, new, training set raster. This is the training set raster. So then file, class, add classes. Here I am using 4 classes for this image. You can choose 4, 5, 6 as your requirement. So here I am choosing 4 classes for this image. So we need to collect training sets. So select your class, first class, then go to training set view, zoom your required area, then take select area tool, then digitize some area in a class, in a type of land use or land cover. Remind it's only a single colored, so that is the sky color for this river, and this is a river. So I'm select here, so then select and right click, assign all cells, then go to training set editor, rename your class water body. So find more water bodies on this image. So here some water bodies with different color pixel. This is a color pixel, and this is the different color pixels. So we need to define this. So select area, select this pixels, assign all cells. Okay, then again zoom out, take this tool, zoom tool, and again zoom out, zoom in. Here you can see that this is the water bodies. So we need to define these pixels into water body class. So we successfully defined water bodies. So here you can see that there is a water body color training set. So next, at first check off, then check in to the second class. Here I am choosing vegetation, so class name is vegetation. Okay, go to the training set view, zoom to the vegetated areas. Here red pixels are vegetated areas. Sorry, my software malfunctioned, so select an area and zoom. Here you can see that the red pixels are all vegetated areas. So here you can see that the all red pixels are vegetated areas. So select your vegetated areas, assign all cells, assign all cells, assign all cells, select some from here, so vegetation is training set selected, then check off vegetation or say class second, so then check in third class, go to the image, and now I am select built up areas or settlement areas. So here you can see that the all is that type of pixels in mixed colored pixels. All is the settlement areas, all is the settlements in the FCC color composition. So select carefully, don't select this type of pixels. This is the vegetation, this is stand for vegetation, so assign all cells. Okay, so change color at first, and here I'm select orange type of pixels. So okay, again zoom, this type of areas. These pixels are settlement areas or built up areas. Assign all cells. Then check off third class and check in fourth class. Then now we select fellow land or besides of settlement areas. So here you can see that fellow land or unvegetated areas or nearly built up area. Select your tool. Assign all cells. So settlement areas, so we select all 4 classes. So then go to the file, training set, save. For your save you need to save your folder. Here my folder is inside of Earth Explore new folder, so I will create a new file that is called training set, train Bengal, it means training set and data, then create training set, then OK. I have successfully saved my training set. Select all this, so then go training set, save. OK, it's saved. Then go to the automatic class. Here you can see the training data, train Bengal. OK, then file, run. So again you choose auto name. Okay, then class maximum likelihood, DST maximum likelihood, and then OK. Performing classification. So successfully performed this type of classification. Here we can see that the 0 value, so 0 value is stand for in which pixels are not selected during training set. So Here you can see that some black pixels are showing. These pixels are not selected during training set data collection, so you must remember that you need to select all the pixels types during data collection. So that is the simple process of image classification, supervised image classification. So classification view, that is classification view, you need to compare from the original image. So add layer, quick add, and add your 432 combination, then OK, then 432 combination, then OK. So again dull image, so go to the enhance contrast, so that is the original image. To show the classification, zoom an area, some small area, then take view and view in view tool, then select some area. So now you can see that your built up areas, and red is the fallow land and pinkish is the settlement areas, and blue pixels are water bodies. There are some ponds or some small water bodies, and green is stand for vegetation. So you can see that so that is the simple process of image classification, supervised type. So thanks for watching this videos. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.